So currently he has a knee pain that he feels when he's walking down the hill in around the top of the knee. So I'm going to show him some drills and exercises to help correct that and strengthen. Hi guys, Finch Posture Prime. Welcome to the channel. I'm here to help you with your posture and overall health. So let's get on it. Today with my good friend Clinton, what we're going to do is we're working on his knee. But it's a good idea to warm the muscle up and get blood into that area. Sometimes I would just do heel flicks. Leave it like that, or even just gently bend the knees. Anything gets blood in, and sometimes I'll even just rub the outside of the legs a little bit to get blood in to make sure it's nice and warmed up. Okay? And then when we're ready to go, we'll take that. So, Clinton, I'm going to have you placing this band around the back of the knee for me. That's it. And I'm going to get you to walk back until you feel a good strain on the band. That looks great. Yeah, perfect. Okay, these bands, they're great. You can get them on Amazon. They're pretty cost effective and they're cheap. I've had this band probably 15 years and it still goes, so you just tell you get a life of it. So the purpose of this is to try to strengthen muscles on the back of the knee, so it helps to negate the problems on the front of the knee. So what you're going to do here, Clinton, is you're going to bend the front knee but keep the toes down. Perfect. And you're going to hold this position. So this is keeping him pulling this way. Then I'm going to have you lock the leg out backwards again. Good. And I'm going to get you to repeat that nice and slow for about 10 repetitions. And I'm just going to talk through while you're doing that. So you can see with Clinton, he's keeping the ball of the foot down and he's keeping that whole arch engaged so you're coming up through. Good. That's the position you want to be in, letting the knee fall forward as much as you can. Once you're pushing backwards, you're working the muscles that don't often get worked unless you're going to walk backwards. So it's the purpose of this that helps us strengthen any weak point in this. How does that feel?
Feels good.
Yeah, good, yeah, and you're pulling back. Good, that's exactly it. Depending, you can get different strengths of bands, and also if you find it quite hard, you can step forward or step back if you need more resistance. Also, you can apply more repetitions to it, so you find when you get a bit more blood into it, go for 20 reps. But that'll be band, knee, kickbacks, and that just helps to get it. Really making sure you're trying to bend as much as you can here. Really pull through. That's you, yeah. So get your feet opened up, get your arches engaged. Lovely. Good. And I'm going to get you to step that foot back. Yep, and I'm going to get you to do it again. Walk forward through the strains of the band for me. And I'm going to get you to place this band down the bottom of the ankle. Now, I'm going to get you to walk backwards until you feel a good strain. Good, and stay there for me. Good, now I want you to, with the wall beside you, I want you just to hold on to the wall of the windowsill, just for support. Now with this one, he's going to do straight leg kickbacks. It's really just to help strengthen the muscles up from a different position. Think about the back of the knee here, pushing through the back of it. So whenever you lift your foot up, Clinton, you're going to feel the band pull you forward. Resist it, don't let it pull you too far forward. Pull it forward 3 or 4 inches and then pull back into it. So you're working within that range. That's it. And then I come forward a bit more. Yeah, let the band come forward to me. There you go. And then you get more range. Good. Then you go a wee bit slower and think about yep, perfect. And try to keep upright and think about the hip doing a little bit, the leg doing more than you tilted into it. Yep, keep perfectly upright for me. Yeah, and then just there you go. That's it. It's a lot more challenging when you can't push into it, but we just want the muscles on the back of the knee working. Yeah, go a wee bit slower for a while, and then just going to really correct you here. Good, so it's really here. He wants me thinking. A lot of people feel that they're pulling from here, but really you're pulling from there. Yep, you don't want to push too much and really put any strain on the lower back. It's just a little bit. Do you feel it in the back of the knee? Yeah. Good. Really think about keeping the knee locked out. You don't want to kick the heel back and end up bending it. It goes against the purpose of the exercise. It's not about how far you can come, it's about how much strain you can put here. So once again, 10 to 20 reps, maybe 3-4 rounds, and that'll help to strengthen up the back, the muscles here, taking pressure to the front knee, and do that before and after your walks or your runs, and you really will feel a good relief from that there. Okay, Clinton, you can just walk forward, take the pressure off, good man. And that there is the 2 exercises for front knee pain.